So we got a little natural little waterfall here with water passing. You know, not too big of a deal. But then what the fuck, man? Why is that water foaming? It's not a good thing when your water foams from a natural source. That's not good. No bueno. Alright, we've hiked ourselves up a little bit, past the tree line a little bit, so we're getting some pine trees, and yeah, we're gonna keep hiking up. We're heading to a creek that I found on the map. It's just a couple miles in, and this is basically the journey getting there. Continues. I scouted out a bit, and we're gonna see if I can get closer to these top falls. We gotta be very careful Very careful, very careful. All right, I made it to the top. Found a rock that I was able to climb on. These are the top falls. Flowing very nicely. Very majestic. And as mentioned, we were down there earlier. The lower falls. Alrighty, our final close-up of this top falls. This is pretty much as close as I can get. Very nice. Alright, I went down to the lower falls. And now we trekked down to the very bottom of these falls. Well, not necessarily the bottom, but I'm trying to find a cool spot to set up my chair and have some lunch. Now I'm thinking this tree right here in the middle of this little stream. Alright, this is where I'm gonna set up my little chair. Creek, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, it's kind of loud. I'm gonna sit in my chair and see what happens next. Chair set up. Got the stream right next to us. We're gonna have some lunch. Today's selection: beef jerky and some chips. Howdy. We got our canteen full of H2O aqua. Join me, will you? Come on. Nice little spot, though. GoPro setting up over there, as you guys have seen the other clips. Got my backpack right there. Got my chair nice and positioned right along the water. Yeah, it's a gorgeous place. I wish I could camp here. There's not really a place to camp in this spot per se, but I wish I could camp along this creek. If we can't camp in this area, you can only use it for day use. Unfortunately, sorry for the whiteout. It's a beautiful flowing creek. And we got this big pine tree that fell across the way. Gorgeous. Stay hydrated, kids. Just got finished with lunch, as you guys saw. I was eating on camera with this nice backdrop. I just wanted to put into this video a quick little update. I have Amazon affiliate links. So what that means is there's, in the description below, there's products that I recommend and that I somewhat endorse, I use. And if you click one of those links and purchase a product within 24 hours, now it could be those products that I have linked, or it could be any product that you want after clicking my link within 24 hours, it gives back to this channel, it gives back to me. It's a free way of doing it if you already shop on Amazon. If you actually purchase a product after hitting said link, it helps me out. Get a little bit of money. I gotta mention this, obviously, because I make money on it. But I just wanted to pop that in this video real quick. Amazon affiliate links. Links are down in the description below. You can buy anything that I recommend there, or you can click the link and buy anything within 24 hours and it helps me out. And if you guys want to help out this channel, it'd be huge. Thanks. How crazy this is hanging off the side. These are ready to go. That's crazy. Alrighty guys, so the hike is coming to an end. Want to do a kind of a closing little video as opposed to just letting it fade off. I appreciate you guys watching the video if you made it this far. If you enjoyed the content, hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up. It helps out the video and my channel, getting it kind of recognized out in the algorithm. It would benefit me a lot, allow me to keep making more content, as a lot of these things I have to pay to park and get into a lot of these areas. So it's just a way to give back to this channel. Appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the videos. I've been enjoying getting outdoors and doing these videos for you guys, so it's cool. Hopefully, you know, I see some new comments in the videos from you guys. I'd like to respond to some of you guys, or all of you guys if you want to. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up. Until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the trail. Peace out. Take it easy.